Hi, I'm Tina, and I'm with the Zirc's Clinical and Efficiency team. Today, I want to show you how to use Pink Petal. This is a single-use device that's intended to be used with low-volume suction. Take your saliva ejector, guide it through the hole, and pull this all the way down until it is parallel at the end of your saliva ejector. Go ahead and give it a twist. You'll want this to look like a candy cane and simply attach to your low volume. Have your patient open, tuck it right in the cheek, and now it is there right on that retromolar pad to collect that pooling water. Can be taken out and also adjusted to the other side.